With more than 10,000 meters square of the coffee trees, we commit to high capacity and high quality of the coffee wood chill range every month. After approximately 20 years of growing, the coffee woods are harvested and sent to the factory. Each stick is carefully peeled and categorized to its size. Afterwards, the chills are packed and vacuumed to be ready to pick up. Our close relationship with farmers enable us to maintain stable supply, even in the rain seasons where there could be some problems with material shortage.